Hey, what's up guys? So today we're going to be making a bee's knees. Now I don't usually make this cocktail, but I wanted to give it a try and actually make it from home. So in this cocktail, it is a gin based cocktail with honey and lemons. That's simply it. It's a simple cocktail. It should be great. I've had one before, but I've never made one. So in this cocktail, we're going to start off building in our tin, like usual, like always. We're going to put our 2 ounces of gin inside of the tin. Okay, so the gin we'll be using is Roots of Ruin by Castle & Key. It is a dry Kentucky gin. I've never had it before. I do support Castle & Key. I like them a lot, actually. They actually gave me this bottle at my competition, which was really cool. So let's go ahead and throw in this 2 ounces of gin. Boom. 2 ounces of gin in the tin. Next, we're going to add our lemon juice. Let's go ahead and cut this bad boy. We need 1 whole ounce of lemon juice. Flip that bad boy. Let's get that juice. Like I said, this cocktail is fairly easy to make from home. It's literally just 3 ingredients. Let's throw our lemon juice in. Now, the final ingredient, literally just honey. Now, you could go ahead and make a honey syrup, but I honestly don't really feel the need to because the ice is going to dilute it and turn it into a syrup anyways. So if you just add the honey straight up, you'll be good. So, a ½ ounce. Well, that's diluted honey syrup, so let's do like a quarter. Like nothing almost. Let's call it there. There, stop it. Only use your local and or organic ingredients, as they're the best. Add the ice to the tin. I only have 1 big sphere. I'm out of other ice. Oh, splattered. Okay, I need to grab one more thing, which is a spoon. We have our spoon, and that's gonna be for the garnish. Let's shake this bad boy. Oh gosh. Okay, that's pretty cold. That's got my fingies really freaking cold now. Alright, let's get the money shot. Let's pour into there. Look at that color. That's what a bee's knees should look like. That right there. Okay, now let's get our garnish. So what I wanted to do, rather than putting a lemon wedge, I wanted to put a piece of honeycomb. I thought that would be a little cooler. Oh gosh, my honey's leaking. Stop it. Let's try our bee's knees. Whoa. I'm not a huge gin fan, but really I wasn't expecting so much lemon up front. Even though I knew. I just thought maybe the honey would dilute it more than what it did. But honestly, I see why people really like this cocktail. You get lemon forward, like hardcore, honey in the background, which is honestly really nice. This is a very nice cocktail. It's been a long time since I've had one, and this is the first time I've ever made one. Thank you guys for joining me on this venture of the bee's knees. Alrighty guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.